All right, Sam, tell us a little bit about your S60R here.
So this is my Volvo S60r. It's a 2.5 liter turbocharged engine making 300 horsepower stock. It's paired with a Haldex drivetrain.
So what's going on with this car here? Like, what do we?
I don't know, dude. I got it from the junkyard. It's
Which
like,
junkyard? Was it like Toys R Us or?
Pick and Pull in Sherwood, Oregon. Yeah.
Ooh, yikes.
They said
We're
that
sure. Like, you see these tire lettering? Like, doesn't that add like there's at least 4 of them? So like 1 per wheel. So that
5
means
horsepower
like,
per tire letter.
dude, I thought it was 100. That's what it like.
If you
That's
add,
what I thought you were talking about.
If you add the banner, then I think it's like an extra 20. Start adding the stickers up.
So how much are each of these stickers?
So you got 20 from the wheels, and you got 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. The banner's a little big, so that's probably like 10 to 20. So I'd say we're at like 60.
So you're telling me that if you add like these stickers right here, they add horsepower?
Yeah, so each is 5. So we're at 60, it'd be 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. And then I'd say the front banner, it's like medium, so that's about 15. So that's 100 horsepower added. So this car has at least 400 horsepower.
So 400, and then you forgot these little stickers though. So that's like, is that like -10? Because
Negative 15.
Negative 15 each brake.
Yep.
Because you know you're braking, so you're stopping, stopping the horsepower, so it kind of takes it away. And then this leaf right here, what does this do? Is that like a power booster or like?
Oh, it's active Aero. So like
active Aero.
Yeah,
Okay.
Once you're over like 200 miles an hour, it'll flap up, helps you slow down.
Okay, that's pretty sick.
Yeah, it's dope.
And then this second plate, is that so cops like think that you want to get pulled over, but then you actually have a plate right here? Yeah,
it's so like you can just break extra necks, you know, because like you want to break as many necks as you can.
Oh, okay. Exhaust, like what's going on here? Why do you have like 2? Is it like one's for like quiet, one's for loud?
Yeah, it's just like my neighbors get mad because like I like to anti-lag in my driveway sometimes, so I'll just have the valve open to go into one, so it's like, you know.
Is it like one horsepower mode and the other one's the
exactly.
the fast mode?
Yeah, exactly.
Where you just give gaps for days and.
Yep. Gap every car ever made.
Okay, that was a joke. Just kidding. He doesn't own this car. Actually, he owns the silver one on coils. Got an intercooler. Just kind of some like basic power mods. But here, this is my car, actually, my 2006 Volvo S60R. We're just gonna do some quick sound clips for you.
have the sickest car I've ever seen, probably like literally ever.